How to fix the issue of Fortnite not launching on Mac. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of launching with Fortnite application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Driver Easy application in your device and click on the option of Scan Now. After that, you will see the list of all the drives. Simply click on Update All. After that, the second method is to verify the file of Fortnite. So simply go to Epic Game and click on Library and then go to Settings. After that, you need to click on Verify. Once your Fortnite files are verified, then after the game will automatically be launched and it will run as smoothly as before. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with launching of Fortnite in Mac device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.